she's dusty. A lot of pollen on the old lady. All right, so look at that. Georgia pollen, baby. Nice. All right, so beautiful day. Got the sun in my face right now. I thought it would be best for the shot and not for vision, of course. So today I have two nice size boxes. They got some nice comforting weight to them. Of course, they're for the MT-07. It is a 12-bar subcage, and then we have a engine cage from the infamous FMS Full Metal Stunts. So we're gonna get that going, and I'll just go ahead and start unboxing. I've waited approximately 4 weeks for this custom, so I'm not giving anybody a hard time, of course. Can't rush perfection. I do want to say off the rip, I did hit FMS up on their Instagram, because after about 2.5 weeks to 3 weeks, I never got an update via email from the tracking or anything. So I was just kind of curious, and super cool peoples. Hit me back up, let me know exactly what was going on. Boom. So this is about to be good. Nice. Okay. Off the rip, packaged very well. Probably open them backwards, but keeps all my info on the low. Nice. Come here. Package is super nice. So I doubt it'll have any scratches, any imperfections in the paint. Put that there. To the side we have probably the cross members. And other side. Hopefully this is all the equipment to put it together. Still got some nice sun. I'm gonna do a color reveal. Gray is my favorite color, so I went with their gray option. There's a little bit of gray on the bike. Don't know how well it'll match, but we're about to find out. Makes you want to grip. It's nice. Close as I could get to trying to hit the accents of gray. That's my favorite color, gray and black. So it actually, I think it's going to look really nice, in my opinion. So yeah, let's set this down. So I'm pretty sure this is the, I did order step plate titanium, and pretty sure there's a lot of brackets and everything in there. Let's do this. This is what you're going to be getting and how you'll be looking at it. I'm assuming they do all the packages the same. So I know this is for the 12 bar. This is also the step plate. And this box, you have pegs, titanium, and your bolts. Okay, so what I've done is removed hex bolts right here. Allen, that's the seat. Yamaha gives you these nice little Allen wrenches that are the correct size for most of your Allen heads, probably all of them back here. But you do have hex that you have to remove. That's fine. Did have to remove my brand new tail tidy kit, but that's fine. So under here, I know I'm gonna have to put that bracket. So I think that I'm gonna go ahead and install that real quick. All right, so we got our plate on back here. Comes with lock washers, so you technically don't need Loctite. If you want to, go ahead, but lock washers are very sufficient. All right, so we're gonna be in the process of removing our passenger pegs. Both sides, of course, and the fitment should be right there. Snug it up, boom, you got it, bolted up. Okay, passenger pegs are off. Everything's loose. Okay, don't know what that was. All right, well then, let's try to slide that back in. Got a bag here, has sub on it, so all the bags are labeled, which is nice. Like I said, I'm gonna try to make it super easy for you guys when you get it. It's already pretty simple, but these are nice, thick 6mm Allen heads. And then for this nice, ginormous hex we got back there, it's 24 what, millimeters? So in this bag right here that came with your engine cage. So pulled out, we got some more pegs, sliders, whatever you want to call them, and bolts and brackets, things like that. And of course you need the stickers, of course. And I'm guessing these are more so spacers. Or good news, we're getting it on. We got it on, we got it mounted up. Everything's on the sub back there is tightened, pegs. This side is tightened-ish. Might be a two-part installation. So I still have the stock exhaust on here. I did plan on getting an aftermarket ran or buying the full kit, you know. Definitely wasn't really bothered by not having an aftermarket exhaust because doesn't affect me wheeling, not one bit. Except we're a little tight here, so I got my cross members out. I just let them out of the package, and I might be able to save some space. I did have to take my little heat protector off, try to get some extra room. So I think I'm just going to install everything if I can, and then buy an exhaust. All right, so pretty excited, pretty happy with the way it turned out. So I am barely skipping out. I haven't really tightened everything down all the way, but I'm barely skimping out